It's the creepy neighbor. Hey.
Well, hello there, boys. Oh wow, these new gloves fit perfect. These flowers are gonna look perfect over here. Hey, what is that? This must be the boys' Nerf guns.
Okay, do you see him? Okay, he got the Nerf blaster. Run!
Well, that was strange.
Oh, hey neighbor, how's it going?
Oh, hello. I found this Nerf gun in the woods behind my house. I believe it belongs to your boys, and I'm trying to return it to them.
Don't worry, Kate. Daddy won't let him in.
Oh yeah, just walk right on in. They should be right inside.
That's it. No more Mr. Nice Neighbor.
Okay, now three clips. I'm out. Hey neighbor, come find us in here.
I know! I've been trying to tell you that this whole time! I'm trying to give it back to you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were an old scary man. Sorry, neighbor.
Kyle, this is why you never judge anyone.
Sorry for the misunderstanding.
It's okay, Kyle. I hope we can become friends.
Hey, neighbor. thanks for watching. Comment of the week goes to William. Thanks to William. Make sure you like and subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Comment on the video so you can become one of the week.